Hello dear students, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home and also studying at home. Again I am here, your maths teacher, with something new, with new topic. So first of all, open your notebooks and books also fast. We have started new topic, subtraction, and I have explained you some subtraction rules, some subtraction facts also. So let us recall all the facts what I have explained you in our previous lecture. Let us recall it, let us revise it once again ताकि आपने जो पढ़ा है वो आपको याद रहे. So first of all you open your notebooks and your books fast. And I told you before also, this is maths period. In maths period we always do writing work. So take out your pencil, your scale, your eraser, all things. Okay, so in our last topic we have done, I have explained you the subtraction. What is the meaning of subtraction? याद है आपको what is the meaning of subtraction? सब्ट्रैक्शन का क्या मतलब होता है? सब्ट्रैक्शन इज टू टेकिंग थिंग्स अवे, किसी भी चीज को कम करना. ओके, टेकिंग थिंग्स अवे इज नोन एज सब्ट्रैक्शन. एंड व्हाट इज द सिंबल ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन? साइन क्या होता है? कैसे बनाते हैं हम सब्ट्रैक्शन का सिंबल? इन दिस वे, यूजिंग आवर इंडेक्स फिंगर, स्लीपिंग लाइन, वन स्लीपिंग लाइन. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, एंड वन अनदर थिंग, there are some rules also of subtraction. So I have explained you what are the rules. If same numbers are subtracted, then what is the answer? We get 0 as a result. If we subtract any number by 0, then what will be the answer? That number itself will be the answer. And if we subtract any number by 1, what answer we will get? We will get the previous number of that number from which we subtracted 1. So these are some rules, है ना? And I have given you homework also. I have given you oral homework to read something. So I hope all of you have read it. Have you read all the columns? I told you to read it. Subtract the numbers using your finger and identify whether the number that is the answer that is written in the book is matched to your answer. Okay, so let's start. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is subtraction on number line. Okay, so first of all, just now no need to write anything. You just fold your hands like this and only look at the screen. Why? Because just now I am explaining you how to subtract a number using a number line. अभी आपको लिखना नहीं है, अभी मैं explain कर रही हूँ. सो आपको सिर्फ देखना है और अच्छे से समझना है. ओके, सो सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑन नंबर लाइन, दिस इज अ टुडेज टॉपिक. सो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू हाउ टू सब्ट्रैक्ट नंबर यूजिंग अ नंबर लाइन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू वन क्वेश्चन. सो ऑल ऑफ यू लुक at your screen and no need to write anything. Okay, so I am writing one question here. 7 minus 4. How do we read it? कैसे रीड करते हैं क्वेश्चन को? 7 and I told you this is symbol of subtraction. और हम symbol of subtraction को कैसे बोलते हैं? माइनस. So 7 minus 4. कैसे रीड करेंगे क्वेश्चन को? 7 minus 4. So we have to do this subtraction using a number line. हमें fingers का यूज करके subtraction नहीं करना है. आफ्टर दैट पहले हम उससे नंबर लाइन पे सॉल्व करेंगे और उसके बाद आप फिंगर्स से भी उस आंसर को मैच कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन. हम एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, आपको नहीं करना है, अभी आपको सिर्फ समझना है. ओनली यू हैव टू लुक एट द बोर्ड एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. तो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I have make a number line till number 10. So what is the first number here? Our first number is 7. What is the first number? 7. So हम 0 हम जो फर्स्ट नंबर है 0 से उसके ऊपर डायरेक्ट जंप करते हैं. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी जंप फ्रॉम 0 टू द फर्स्ट नंबर. सो हमारा फर्स्ट नंबर 7 है. सो वी डायरेक्टली जंप टू 7. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट नंबर? 4. ओके. अब 4 स्टेप इन एडिशन व्हाट वी हैव डन, हमने एडिशन में आगे की तरफ मूव किया था. कितने स्टेप किया था वो सेकंड वाले नंबर पे डिपेंड करता है. इन सब्ट्रैक्शन वी मूव नंबर ऑफ स्टेप बैक साइड. अब सब्ट्रैक्शन में हम नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स पीछे जाएंगे, हम उल्टा चलेंगे, हम बैकवर्ड जाएंगे. ठीक है. एडिशन में हम आगे की तरफ गए थे, नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स 1 स्टेप्स, और सब्ट्रैक्शन में वी विल मूव बैक साइड, हम पीछे की तरफ जाएंगे. Okay, so how many steps we have to move back side? That will depend on the second number. So what is the second number? The second number is 4. So we have to move 4 steps back. One step count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. आप किस नंबर पे पहुंच गए? We reach at number 3. So what is the answer of 7 minus 4? The answer of 7 minus 4. Let's do the subtraction using our finger. Take out the 7 fingers, 5, 6 and 7, and less 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many fingers are left? Only 3 fingers are left. So the answer of 7 minus 4 will be 3. Okay. So in this way we subtract the given numbers using the number line. Okay. So start writing with me. First of all, what is, take out new page. New topic always starts from new page. So take out new page, dear students, and write today's date. What is the date today? That you write here. Fast. Write in good handwriting and take out scale also, because you need scale to draw the line. So I hope all of you have ruler, scale to draw the line. Okay. Now write the question. Subtract. Subtracting. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-N-G. Subtracting. S-U-B-T-R-A. The topic that we are doing just now is given on page number 66 in your maths book. Page number 66. So open page number 66 if you want to see the question from the board. If you are not able to write the question, the heading from the board, you can see from the book also, but write just now. आपको अभी लिखना है मेरे साथ. Subtracting on the number line. On the subtracting on the number line. Subtracting on the number line. Okay, this is the topic. Today's heading. This is the heading of today's topic. Write fast. Subtracting on the number line. Subtracting on the number line. I hope all of you have written. Now write the question. Write the question. Write question. Subtract. S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T. Subtract the numbers. N-U-M-B-E-R-S. Subtract the numbers using U-S-I-N-G. Using number line. N-U-M-B-E-R. Number line. L-I-N-E line. This is the question. Subtract the numbers using number line. Write fast question. the numbers using number line. This is the question. Write fast. Subtract the numbers using number line. Now write the first question. Write A. What is the first question given? 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is equals to. Okay. This is the first question. 9 minus 5 is equals to. So for that you have to draw a number line. So start drawing a number line using your scale. Draw one straight line. Now write numbers on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The number line you have drawn in the addition question, in the same way you have to draw the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Draw the number line fast. Now what is our first step? Our first step is to jump from 0 to the first number. So what is the first number given there? The first number given there is 9. So from 0 you have to jump directly to the number 9. तो jump मारेंगे और कहाँ पर जाएंगे? Directly to the number 9. Okay. Now next step you have to move one step. हमें एक step move करना है opposite direction में, backward direction में. But how many steps you have to move? That will depend on the next number. So what is the next number? Next number is 5. So आपको 5 step पीछे की तरफ move करना है. Start moving backward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. कहाँ पे आ गए हम? अभी हम number 4 पे आ गए. So what is the answer of 9 minus 5? Answer of 9 minus 5 will be 4. Write it fast. Copy fast from the board. Write fast students and write correctly, copy correctly from the board. Okay, let's move to the next question students. May I rub this? आपने लिख लिया है? अगर आपने नहीं लिखा है, if you have not written, so आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी ले सकते हैं या तो फिर आप वीडियो को पॉज करके भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay. Now the second question. Second question, that is B. What is the next given question? 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. Okay, again draw a number line. Now write the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Draw the numbers. Write the numbers. Now what is our first step? That we have to jump from 0 to the first given number. So what is the first given number here? 8. So from 0 directly jump to number 8. Now what is our next step? Our next step is we have to move move in the backward direction. How many steps? 4 steps. So move 4 steps back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. कहाँ आ गए? At number 4. So 8 minus 4 is again 4. Write the answer. Copy fast from the board, dear students. Write fast. Okay, dear students, next question. See, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5. Okay. Again draw a number line starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. What is our first step? In our first step, we jump. First step में क्या करते हैं हम? Jump करते हैं. कहाँ से कहाँ तक करते हैं? 0 से the first given number. So what is the first given number here? 7. So we jump from 0 to directly 7. Okay. Now our next step is to move one step in backward direction. So how many steps we have to move? 5 steps. So start moving 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. कहाँ पहुँच गए? At which number? You reach at number 2. So 2 is the answer. Copy fast, students, from the board. Write fast. Write fast, students, and copy correctly from the board. Okay, and use ruler. Ruler means scale. Use scale to draw a number line. Number line draw करने के लिए scale का use करना है. Don't simply draw a line freely without using scale. Okay, and draw the straight line. Now I hope all of you have written. Now the last question. So I am writing that question on the board. You try to do yourself. आप अपने आप खुद उसे सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Only 4 questions are given in your book. Write the next question D and try to solve this question yourself. 6 minus 3 is equals to, draw the number line, write the numbers on the number line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now do yourself, try to solve it. आप अपने आप से एक बार ट्राई करें, आपको आता है कि नहीं. Try to solve yourself and identify what is the answer. What is your first step? That you have to jump from 0. को 0 से jump करना है. To which number? To the first given number. So jump from 0 to the first given number, that is 6. So directly jump from 0 to 6. Now you have to move one step in the backward direction. पीछे की तरफ one step move करना है. But how many steps you have to move? That depend on the next number. So what is the next number? Next number is 3. So you have to move 3 steps back. Move 1, then 2, then 3 steps. Identify किस number पे आके आप stop हुए. That number is the answer. Okay. Now check your answer. So from 0, I directly jump to number 6. Now I have to move 3 steps back. So move 3 steps back. 1 step, 2 step and 3 step. At which step you stop? You stop at number 3. So what is the answer? 3. Okay. I hope all of you got the same answer. Okay. Now write the homework questions. Okay. I am writing here E, F and G. Okay. And these 3 questions are homework for you. And आपको उसको number line पे ही क्या करना है? Solve करना है. Okay. So these 4 questions that we have solved just now is given in your book. But these homework questions is not given in your book. So write down, note down the homework questions. So after D, write homework and write E, F and G. Now write the homework. Write 10 minus 4 equals to box. 9 minus 3 is equals to next number. 6 minus 4 is equals to. I hope this question is not given. Okay. So 3 questions I have written on the board. Again I am reading the question, homework question that I have written on the board. 10 minus 4 is equals to F. 9 minus 3 is equals to, and last G, 6 minus 4 is equals to. So these are the 3 homework questions for you that you have to solve in the same way using the number line that we have solved the 4 questions. जैसे 4 question हमने solve किए, in the same way you have to solve these 3 questions also. These 3 homework questions also. Write down the homework question fast. Okay, I hope all of you have copied it. And one more homework I am going to give you to learn the tables by heart. I have written in our previous lectures we have returned the table of 6. So I hope all of you have learned the table of 6. So you have to learn the table, you have to revise the table. If अगर आपको याद है, if you know all the tables, then you have to revise it once again. Okay, so you have to learn. I'm not telling you to write also, only to learn. If you want to write the table, you can write it also. So learn the table from 2 to 6 by heart. Okay, so we will, in our next lecture, we will write the table of 7 also. Okay, so for today it is sufficient. We stop our lecture today here, and we will continue in our next lecture with some new topic. Till then, good day, have a nice day. Bye students.